Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Hello friends, today I will do the unboxing for Xiaomi Mi 3 band, and I will also tell you how you can connect this with your computer. This is just sort of a little review and how to connect. So this one, as you can see, Mi band 3. Here are some features. It's up to 50-meter underwater swim, fitness data sharing on screen, and heart rate monitor. Also, it's have a 48 up to 48 character on screen display, call and message display, sleep and step track. You can see this one is Mi 3 band. It's actually made in China. And I get it around 110 reals with 2-year warranty. So let's do. Let's take it out. This is our band. I will open it later. Let's see what is inside the box. Okay, here is the catalog, user manual. You can see it support different language, so the manual is same in these languages. This one I put inside. It looked like a warranty card. And here it is a charging cable. Here it's charging cable. 2 pins are available, copper plated. Okay, let's come to the point. This is we need to charge it first, because when it's can it not charge. After charging, it will show this message. So when you paired your device with the mobile, it will automatically update the firmware of your band. As you can see in this video. After updating the firmware, you can use your band and you can do the settings from your mobile app. There are some manuals of it, like let's have a notification. It can tell you the weather, steps, heart rate. For heart rate you have to measure like this, so it will, okay. It's a treadmill. For treadmill you have about factory reset screen. You can change the setting of the screen. It's you find your device. It's you can do to the silent your mobile to a silent mode. Is the stopwatch. So this is the main functions. Notification, weather. It's have a weather. It can tell you 2 days weather also, like Friday and tomorrow. So these steps. Steps have no any options. Heart rate. Treadmill have exercise option also. So if you're going to do the exercise, you need to click this. After that it will vibrate and it will record your workout. To cancel this one, you can pause it or you can hold it again to stop. Same as treadmill. Then more, it's information about the device. It's a factory reset screen. You'll go screen option. It's have some different displays, like it's have a pedometer plus time. It's just only a time, and this is also a time. So you want to select, then find your device. If you click and hold, to cancel. Okay, you can put this to your phone onto a silent mode. It's a stop watch. Okay, now it started. You want to stop, click it here. Now if you want to reset. So guys, this is my unboxing. Thank you very much.